Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase Base. Base is an innovative Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain incubated by Coinbase, designed to provide a secure, low-cost, and developer-friendly environment for decentralized applications. It leverages the security of Ethereum while offering significantly faster and cheaper transactions. Our goal is to help you navigate this exciting network, enabling you to explore its growing ecosystem and participate in the future of decentralized finance with ease and confidence. To begin using Base, you will first need to fund your wallet. The primary method involves bridging assets, typically Ethereum or other tokens, from the Ethereum mainnet or another supported network directly to Base. You can utilize the official Base bridge, which is integrated within the Coinbase ecosystem, or choose a trusted third-party bridging service. Remember to account for gas fees on the originating network, which are usually paid in Ethereum, to ensure a smooth and successful transfer of your funds. Once your wallet is funded, you are ready to explore the vibrant ecosystem of decentralized applications on Base. Connect your preferred Web3 wallet, such as MetaMask, to the Base network. You can then engage with various decentralized exchanges, participate in lending protocols, or browse non-fungible token marketplaces. Always exercise caution and carefully review all transaction details, including the amount and recipient address, before confirming and signing any transaction to ensure your assets remain secure. Using Base offers several compelling advantages for both new and experienced crypto users. You will experience significantly lower transaction fees, often just a fraction of a cent, making microtransactions more feasible and affordable. Transactions also achieve finality much faster, enhancing the overall user experience. Furthermore, Base inherits the robust security of the Ethereum mainnet, providing a trustworthy and reliable environment for your digital assets and decentralized activities. It's an efficient and secure gateway to the decentralized world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.